Okay, today on Garage Mahal we are working on a 2004 Chevy Impala, and I've seen a lot of videos on this and I finally figured out what's going on. So if you are sitting in your Impala and your blinker lights are acting kind of weird, has works, but you're getting something like this or some intermittent issues, this is going to be your problem. If you pop your headlights out, you're going to have this ground wire right here. Now from the salt and rain, that's not in a great area, so I'm going to show you how to fix it real fast. Now what happens, especially if you live up in the Northeast, salt, rain, and all that other stuff gets all buggered up in that. And this line basically kind of fell apart on me as I was testing it, but that ground wire goes into the grounding harness. See how corroded that is? A couple twists and that came off. So we're going to strip that. Alright, so we're going to solder these two connections. And we're using these little, basically shrink fittings. I like using these on outdoor connections because, one, they form a pretty tight bond. And they solder them together with a heat gun. I'm just going to make it hot enough so that solder kind of melts in the middle there. Okay. And that's all there is to that. So now we have, after that cools down, we're going to have a nice tight connection there. Still kind of liquidy, so we'll give that another second to, once that cools, that's going to make a nice tight bond. It's kind of like a real soft pasty solder, but it makes a really good connection. But anyway, so that is going to be our new wire ground. We're going to bolt it in there again. It's a nice tight connection, and let's go see how our lights respond now. It's back in the car, and you can see we have operating blinkers, and it has his work. Problem solved. Alright, so anyway, that's the solder connection that you got to worry about. And like I said, I love using these things. I'll put the link for them below. That and a heat gun, and you basically have a solder connection that's weatherproof and tight. And these little strippers, these come in handy. You saw how quick I stripped that wire. And the other most valuable tool that I like using is this Milwaukee. This thing is 3/8 ratchet. This is absolutely invaluable. I can't tell you how many times that's helped me out. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and liking the video, and as always, thanks for subscribing. Brian from Garage Mahal. Have a great day. Bye.